Let us now look at another data structure in Python, which is called as dictionaries. Dictionaries are commonly used for referencing. We'll look at an example. We have name and then name. I'm saying it's going to be Jack, and then his age is 25. So this is the dictionary. So if I say my dict, that gives the name as well as age. Suppose if I want to get only the name, my dict, and I can reference through the name. So name is Jack, and if I want to get, similarly, if I want to get his age, then age is 25. So basically dictionaries are used in referencing. So that brings to the end of some of the very critical data structures in Python, particularly the lists, the tuples, and the dictionaries. Let's now progress further. Thank you.